Hello and welcome to the Lift Your Mood with Food course. You want to feel more energized, organized and calm. Enjoy all the aspects of your life, like your family, your career, your friends. But instead, you feel sluggish and tired and bloated. You struggle to fit everything into the day. You would like to cook your own food, but you resort to ready-made meals or takeaways, and you're not happy about that. So if you'd love to nourish both your body and your mind through the food and the lifestyle changes, then this course might be for you. So over 9 weeks, you learn how to create a healthy and balanced meals that align with your unique needs and with the seasons. You establish nourishing habits and adapt your diet and lifestyle to whatever changes are coming, all based on the time-tested principles of yoga and Ayurveda. So this course is perfect for busy women, health-conscious women, mums who want to manage their stress, improve their energy levels, and take control of their health. So whether you're new to Ayurveda or looking for a fresh start, this course, Lift Your Mood with Food, will guide you every step of the way. So let's take a sneak peek in how it looks on the inside of the course. So at the back end of the course, let's assume you have signed up to the course and then come into your account at the platform on which the course runs, and you will find the course here. You click on it and it immediately takes you to the lesson section of the course, because that's where you want to be and where the course is stored. So first up, it will ask you to fill in the health questionnaire, and then you have different forms that you can download and print, checklists and lists that help you to keep track of your progress. You have a food journal, food diary, so you can track the food that you eat, but also how it makes you feel, which is super informative, and it will give you a lot of information about your habits, and it will also help us to establish a way, how we can help or what changes we can make for you so that you get to your desired outcome. So then you have the different weeks. On the left-hand side, you will find the structure of the course, so the different weeks and what they are about. And if you go into, for example, the first week, then on the right-hand side, you have the course content. And there you'll find a mixture of handouts that you can download, what I also suggest download and print out if you like something in your hand. And you can have that alongside when you watch through the videos, or you can listen to the audios. And then each week, so the first 2 weeks are about the principles of Ayurveda that are essential for you to gain understanding of why you are asked to do certain things. Ayurveda offers a roadmap for us on how to live or how to stay healthy throughout our life, live a long and fulfilling life. You understand the basics behind it, so the elements, how the doshas are formed, what they are. Then you have, in the first 2 weeks, you have these Surya Namaskar according to the different doshas, so you can try out how you can adapt those. And you go through need to sort of come up again. You mark the individual videos, but also the individual weeks, so the system knows where you left off and takes you back there. So after the introduction into the different principles for the first 2 weeks, then You have another introduction into Ayurvedic kitchen, what this means, what an Ayurvedic kitchen is about, handouts about the equipment, to-dos, and essential shopping lists of the staples in food that you should really have, spices and herbs. And then after that, from week 3 onwards, week 4 actually, it is already onwards, you go into the different seasons. So we start with the autumn and winter because that's what's coming up. And in those, then you will recap. This is now all about applying the knowledge of the first 2 weeks into these seasons, understanding. So the autumn and winter is Vata season. So understand Vata dosha. Again, you get a quick recap, and then how to apply this onto the winter, how to stay balanced, food lists for each season, and then also, what this season is about. So you learn to cook something particular. And in terms of yoga, this is about shoulders, so about the joints. So you have videos to mobilize the joints, keep them healthy, because Vata is also the joints and their health, relaxation, to deal with the overwhelm and the busyness, the mental busyness that affects Vata. And then you have the same in the springtime. Vata during the spring, again, hand out about the spring food plan, the transitions. And for the summer, it repeats, but you then see in spring is the Kapha season, so you repeat Kapha and how it applies to the season, and Pitta as the summer and how it applies to that. So it is what you have in the first 2 weeks, fairly condensed. And then you work with it again and again and again through the seasons. And because you have access to the course as long as it lives, you can then, when it comes to the seasons, then you can go again back to the videos and refresh what's coming up in the spring. What do I need to do? What foods are there? And then you can create your own plan and refresh why it is like this. Because once we understand why Ayurveda makes these suggestions, then it becomes like second nature, and we understand our body, we understand where we go wrong, and we understand where to look for in terms of imbalances. So week 7 is about planning and preparation of meals, and all about different food groups like the proteins, the legumes, the grains, or the vegetables, their properties are, what their benefits are, why you should eat them. And then in week 8, we unleash our inner goddess, and we do dive into self-care, introduction, why we need to look after ourselves, especially when we have a busy life. Not to say I need to look after everyone else, that's my job, but not after myself. Women often see it as selfish to look after themselves, but it is, Ayurveda is very much preventative. Wants us to look after ourselves, so to massages in the evening of the hands and the feet so we sleep better and nourish the body through that, but also a massage of the entire body to keep Vata in balance, moisturize from the outside, to take the tiredness away, to keep agility in the body. So all of that is super important, and you go through those. You have videos on how to do the different massages. In week 9, we're tying everything together. And then in week 10, you have the ongoing videos of cooking that we do together, but also what I upload here for you. And you can access that to get inspiration or to become more confident on how you use the spices exactly, especially if you didn't grow up with these spices. And then another bonus is the breathing space, which is breathing videos introducing 3-part breath. Learn this and Nadi Shodhan, so alternate nostril breathing, or the moon breath, the sun breath, different breathing techniques that you can then use and apply. So this is how it looks at the back end of the course. And yeah, if you are interested, you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help. And otherwise, hopefully see you on the inside. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.